YouTube, how the heck is it going? So today we're going to be installing the manual transmission. I know I said I wanted to do a one episode and get it all done, but I can't do that. That's going to be a 45-minute video like I said on the last video. So today is going to be the day that we just install the trans and the clutch. So let's get into this. All right, we're starting on the flywheel, getting the flywheel bolts on. So those are 19 multi-splines. They are torqued down to 80 foot-pounds. Remember, you just have to go in a star pattern. Then we spray it down with some brake cleaner. There we go. Now what? Alright. Now, I'm going to need all those bolts that I just bought. The
APR?
Yeah. You fucking kidding me?
They don't fit?
No.
They not thread at all, or they don't fit in the red piece?
They don't. They're too big for those.
Oh, yeah. Hold on, how many bolts you put in?
All the ones.
6?
Yeah.
How many did you buy?
9.
Oh.
Alright, so here we're at with the trans. Eugene is trying to clear the tunnel out in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. He's underneath the car right now, trying to work his magic. We have clutch on, ready to go. And the trans should be in today. And at least somewhat started. So while going from automatic to manual, this is where your automatic shifter will go. Underneath the car, there is 4 10mm bolts that pull this plate off. I've watched plenty of videos and they do not mention this, so this is one step for you guys. Then we're all cleared, ready to go. Now we just have to set everything up. So this was probably the hardest thing about doing the trans. This did not want to mate, period. I would have had a time lapse going up, but I didn't think about it. We were just too worried about getting the trans in and it not falling. So how we did it is completely the wrong way. Jack stands, all this bullshit. I recommend getting a cherry picker or something that you hold the engine up, a jack to jack it up, so everything, when it meets together, it is like a flat mating surface, not, you know, coming down where it's like coming at an angle. So right now we're gonna get the mount on. All the bolts are tightened up. We gotta get the T-backer back there mounted up. Then it's just wiring. So I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse for that.
This day and time the strong survive. There ain't no one as strong as I, 'cause I waited in the longest line for the longest time. Now this moment's mine. Put the plow down on land. See the calluses on my hand. Take no sick days, that's not how I was raised. Mama taught me how to be a man. Never send a boy do a man's job. Do a man's job. Never send a boy to do a man's job. To do a man's job. Good old days, I remember back when. If you had a problem, you settled it like me. Wasn't no crying and calling your best friend.
Alright, it's in there. Nice and secured. So how do you? You too. Now we gotta try to figure out everything else.
Wasn't no fighting, everybody had a road. Never send a boy to do a man's job. To do a man's job. I said never send a boy to do a man's job. To do a man's job. Never send a boy to do a man's job. To do a man's job. Never send a boy to do a man's job. To do a man's job. I said never send a boy to do a man's job. To do a man's job.
So here we go. We got everything back in the car. Everything is torqued down to specs. All that's left is getting the linkage to come all the way down here for the master cylinder to the slave cylinder. Then I have to find the brace mount from an automatic to a manual. We still got to connect the T-bracket back there. We still have to finish mounting the inside for the shifter linkage and the shifter itself. Then it will be trans fluid. I'm gonna redo the oil and refix all the gaskets. Then we have to do the wiring, get that all wired up, battery back on, starter in, and we should be able to fire up. So I know there are a few things that if you have an automatic ECU, there's these wires over here that you have to mess with. Before I even suggest how to do it, I'm gonna look it up first. We gotta get the clutch pedal in, the brake pedal, and the fucking gas pedal. But that should all be in another video. So I forgot to record an outro for this video, so it's been a few days later and I'm recording the outro now. There was a lot of things that happened in this video. I have a lot of things coming up in the next video, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There is a lot more to come on this budget build, so stay tuned.